Good morning, my respected teachers and my dear friends. I am Biswa. I am going to tell you about universe. Universe is everything that exists. So let's start out my presentation. Nebula. Nebula is a mixture of gas and ice rocks. It has formed our solar system. It has formed our sun and other 8 planets. It has also formed one another planet, but it is a dwarf planet named as Pluto. Want to tell about star constellation. Constellation is a group of stars that make a pattern with the help of their stars. It has one example. Let's see that. The Big Bear. These are made of 7 stars. The Big Bear is very famous in India. Galaxies. Galaxies are a mixture of gases, stars, many huge stars, asteroids, and almost everything. We live in one galaxy called the Milky Way. Let's see that. This is our Milky Way. We live in that. It has 8 planets and one huge star. Galaxies are of 3 types. One is elliptical galaxy, which has no shape of its stars, and another is spiral galaxy. Spiral galaxy is also an example of our Milky Way. It has spiral arms and one huge cluster in its heart. And one another is irregular galaxy. This is the galaxy where stars cannot stay at one place. They move always anywhere. This is our solar system. It consists of one huge star called the Sun and 8 planets. The Sun. The Sun is a huge ball of fire which is made of helium and hydrogen. It is also called the heart of the solar system. There are more 8 planets called the Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. But these are of 2 types of planets. First one is terrestrial planets, second one is gas giants. First one is terrestrial planets. It consists of Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. And the gas giants, which are full of gases only, called as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The Mercury. It is also called the iron planet. It is the closest planet to the Sun and it is named after the Roman god of war. Its diameter is 4,880 kilometers and 3,032 miles. Mass is 3.3 into 1023 kilograms. The planet Venus. It is the Earth's sister planet because it has the same mass and same size like the planet Earth has. It is not the nearest to the Sun, but it is the hottest because of its active volcanoes and the hottest atmosphere. The planet Earth. This is our mother planet only. This has 71% of water and 29% of land. It seems blue from the space, so it is also called the blue planet. It has only one moon. The planet Mars. It is red in color, so it is called the red planet because of its red soil. When it has only less amount of water in its own core, and scientists have believed that there are some less amount of water in the core of the Mars. It has 2 moons, Deimos and Phobos. Next comes the Kuiper belt, where asteroids exist. These asteroids have destroyed the life of the dinosaurs in many years ago. These asteroids are of big size and there are no spherical asteroids in the solar system. Next comes the planet Jupiter, which is the biggest planet and the gaseous planet among the solar system. It is the giant planet. This you can see a red spot. This is actually a tornado which never stops. In the earth there is land, so that the tornado hits the land and dies after some time. But I have said that Jupiter has no land, so this tornado never stops. The planet Saturn, it has a big ring made of dust and ice particles. So, but we can't see that. It is invisible. The Saturn is also gaseous. It has helium, hydrogen, nitrogen and only less amount of carbon dioxide. Its diameter is 1,16,484 kilometers. Also, we can say 72,387 miles. Mass is about 5.68 into 1026 kilograms. Next comes the planet Uranus. It is very cold and it has one very thin amount of carbon dioxide. It is ice. It is made of ice crystals, and it has also a thin layer of atmosphere and also a thin ring that we can't see. Scientists have named for the missions like Mission 1, Mission Carbohydrate, and many missions to explore this planet Uranus. That even though it has a cold atmosphere, is there any life-living human in the planet Uranus or any fossils? Last, the planet Neptune, which is the coldest planet and farthest planet from the sun. It is very cold there. It has no rings, but it has a very hard atmosphere. It has only 2 layers, and it is very cold, and it has some footsteps on it, but we can't say that there is one human or anyone has gone there. We have made satellites to explore that. Its diameter is 49,244 kilometers. Mass is about 1.24 1026 kilograms. Scale properties in the solar system. Actually, in the solar system, the planet should have 3 properties. First property is there should be spherical. Second property is the orbit should be also spherical. And third property is they should keep their surroundings clean. Every planet has its mass. Thank you for listening.